सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ Welcome to the Vishwa Yoga Pratana, where we are performing the 27 rounds of the Brahmari. Join me as we go into the practice straight away. Contemplate the beautiful inner experience, the experience of a sense of sukham or ease, percolating through each of those trillions of cells that make you up. A beautiful symphony orchestra of all your trillions of cells coming together, singing the same tune at the same time in the same way. A beautiful sense of yogam or interconnectiveness manifesting amongst those trillions of cells. A beautiful sense of equanimity, equipoise, harmonious balance, samatvam manifesting from within. Beautiful sense of wholesomeness, Purnam. A beautiful sense of Anandam, joyful bliss manifesting from it. Gently start to move your fingers, rubbing your palms together, generating a nice warmth, placing the warmth over the eyes, forehead, and the neck. Let us move on to the second component, the Sankalpa, bringing our hands over our head and coming together as we make this beautiful Sankalpa. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. A beautiful Sankalpa being made across the planet by so many people from the heartful mind and the mindful heart. reaching out in a sense of oneness, coming together to form the strongest possible chain of humanity that we can at this moment. Sending out our cheer, our gratitude, our heartfelt appreciation, respect, and admiration to each and every one of the great human beings who are doing their best for humanity at this point of time. Not only for the human race, but for the planet. Our planet. This beautiful blue planet. A planet that has given us life. A planet that sustains and nourishes our life. A planet to which we go back when we leave the body. And yet, we have forgotten what we owe this planet. We have forgotten what we owe life. Let's return that gratitude. Let us return that gratitude with love, compassion, understanding, and sharing. And maintain cheerfulness. Cheerfulness is one of the greatest human qualities. Because even in the toughest of times, we can choose to be cheerful. And that is where the power of choice comes in. Viveka, discernment. Vairagya, metacognitive objectivity. And that is where the Ichcha Shakti, the power of intent. Kriya Shakti, the power of action. And Jnana Shakti, the power of wisdom. They can all shine forth through our buddhi, our higher intellectual part of us, that discerning part of us that brings into actuality our Vijnanamaya Kosha. Being cheerful is one of the best choices we can make as a human being. Mudita Punya, as Patanjali reminds us, when you find people trying to live a life of Punya, nobility, cheer them on. Be the cheerleaders for the good, for the noble. Let's close with the Shanti Mantra. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti 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 Om. May you be safe, may you be well, may you be joyful, and may you be blessed wherever you are. Hari Om Tat Sat.